What if I told you that within the next decade, humans might no longer live only on Earth? Imagine waking up every morning, looking out your window, and seeing our blue planet floating in the blackness of space. It may sound like science fiction, but scientists and space agencies are already working to make life on the moon a reality. The question is, how will humans survive in a place with no air, no food, and extreme temperatures? Let's explore humanity's incredible future on the moon. For thousands of years, the moon has fascinated humanity. It has inspired myths, scientific discoveries, and one of the greatest achievements in history, the Apollo moon landings. But this time, the goal is completely different. Instead of visiting the moon for a few days, scientists want to build permanent settlements where astronauts can live and work for months or even years. The moon is only about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth, making it the perfect place to prepare for future missions to Mars and beyond. Building a home on the moon won't be easy because the lunar environment is one of the harshest places in the solar system. There is no breathable atmosphere, no flowing rivers, and temperatures can rise above 120 degrees Celsius during the day before dropping below -170 degrees Celsius at night. To survive these deadly conditions, future moon bases will likely be built underground or covered with thick layers of lunar soil. One of the biggest challenges will be finding water. Fortunately, recent discoveries have revealed large amounts of frozen ice hidden inside permanently shadowed craters near the moon's south pole. This ice could become one of the most valuable resources for future astronauts. Water can be purified for drinking, split into hydrogen and oxygen to produce rocket fuel, and provide breathable oxygen for the colony. Instead of carrying huge amounts of water from Earth, astronauts may be able to produce it directly on the moon. Food production is another major challenge. Regular farming isn't possible on the moon because there is no soil suitable for growing crops. Instead, scientists are developing hydroponic and aeroponic farming systems where vegetables grow in nutrient-rich water under powerful LED lights. Fresh lettuce, tomatoes, potatoes, herbs, and even strawberries could one day be grown inside climate-controlled greenhouses. Electricity will also play a vital role in keeping a moon colony alive. Since the moon receives abundant sunlight, massive solar panel farms could generate clean energy to power homes, laboratories, communication systems, and life support equipment. During the long lunar night, which lasts nearly 14 Earth days, advanced batteries and compact nuclear power systems may provide backup electricity, ensuring astronauts remain safe even when sunlight disappears. Living on the moon would feel very different from life on Earth. Because the moon has only 1/6 of Earth's gravity, astronauts would weigh much less and could jump much higher. Everyday activities such as walking, exercising, cooking, and even sleeping would require special equipment designed for low gravity. Regular exercise would become essential to prevent muscles and bones from weakening after spending long periods away from Earth's stronger gravity. Advanced robots and artificial intelligence will likely become the astronauts' most valuable assistants. Intelligent robots could build habitats, repair damaged equipment, explore dangerous regions, transport heavy materials, and even perform scientific experiments without exposing humans to unnecessary risks. These robotic helpers would work around the clock, making life on the moon much safer and more efficient. Transportation across the moon will also evolve dramatically. Future astronauts may travel in pressurized electric lunar rovers capable of driving hundreds of kilometers without requiring spacesuits. Some scientists are even studying futuristic magnetic transportation systems that could connect different moon bases, allowing people to travel quickly across the lunar surface while remaining protected from the harsh environment. Despite all these technological advances, living on the moon will still be extremely dangerous. Harmful cosmic radiation, powerful solar storms, fine lunar dust, and tiny micrometeorites remain constant threats. Lunar dust is especially challenging because it sticks to everything and can damage equipment and even affect human health. Engineers are designing advanced air filtration systems, protective materials, and underground shelters to reduce these risks and create a safe living environment. Many experts believe that by the late 2030s, the first permanent moon colonies could become a reality. These settlements may include scientific laboratories, hospitals, greenhouses, power stations, communication centers, and even spaceports for missions traveling deeper into the solar system. In the future, tourists may visit the moon, scientists may conduct groundbreaking research, and industries could mine valuable resources that support humanity's expansion into space. The moon may become much more than a destination, it could become humanity's second home. Every technological breakthrough brings us one step closer to living beyond Earth. What once seemed impossible is now becoming one of the most exciting goals in human history. Perhaps one day, future generations will look up at Earth from the moon and call the lunar surface their home. Humanity's next giant leap has already begun, and the future may be closer than we ever imagined. The moon is no longer just a distant world shining in our night sky. It represents the beginning of humanity's future among the stars. If we can learn to live on the moon, then Mars, and perhaps even the rest of the solar system, may be within our reach. The next chapter of human civilization could start just 384,400 kilometers away. Rocket full moon.